What are you gonna put in the pot for us?
Soursop leaf on the mint.
Soursop leaf and the mint. Wow, you see that, guys? This is what is gonna make for tea right there. Early in the morning. See it? Outside setting, guys. Outside setting. Fresh mint and soursop leaf. Yeah. Welcome back to Mannix Robinson TV, and we are back at it again, guys. Early morning up in the hills. I smell the smoke of a wood fire, and it woke me out of my sleep. Let's see what is up there. So, guys, if this is the first time checking into my channel, hey, press that post notification, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Hey, what's up, bro? You alright? You eat up my shoe? X. What's up, X? You guys good? Yeah. Wow. You guys good? Yeah. So, guys, this is the wood fire that woke me up this morning early. So, I think Frost is about to make some early morning tea. Yeah, see, this fire been blazing for a couple weeks now, non-stop. We make breakfast, lunch and dinner. Yeah. Frost, what kind of tea do you make now? Some soursop leaf and mint. Yeah, guys, you heard that? We're gonna be making some soursop leaf and mint tea up in the hills early morning. Yeah, Frostman style. So, guys, this is the Rastaman way up in the hills early in the morning in Jamaica. This is how Frostman make his tea. And I think he went to get the soursop leaf and the mint. Yeah. Top of the morning, everyone. Much respect to all of my viewers, all of my subscribers, wheresoever you are across the globe. Much respect, much love. Thanks for being a part of the Mannix Robinson family. Really appreciate it. You know, that's how we do it. Yeah, see the guys, I don't even have on no shoes on, man. Yeah, see that? Treading it natural way up in the hills. Yeah, so we do it, people. Hear the birds, the breeze blowing in the trees early morning. Yeah, that's how we do it, guys. Yesterday we cook big pot of food. Let me see what I leave in the pot. Right here is the kitchen, guys. This is the kitchen, outside kitchen. We cook some curry. That's the remainder of it. Yeah, we have to take care of that when it finish. And this is our big pot. Nothing else left in it. The food is done. Yeah, this is our little setup right here, guys. This is our little outside kitchen. Yeah, this is our little stand right here. And this is our fireplace. Yeah. Hey X, what you doing? You good? Just chilling out. Waiting on your tea also. You want some tea early in the morning. You're gonna have some soursop leaf and mint tea. Eh? You're gonna have some of that too? Eh? You drink tea? Hey, you out there. Yeah, you looking at me. Hey, you're gonna have some tea also? You're gonna drink some soursop leaf and mint tea? I don't think so. What you say? You're gonna up to the challenge? Hey, what's your name? What's your name? looking at me. He ain't even looking at me. So guys, Frostman right now, he's gonna put them. What are you gonna put in the pot, Frost?
Soursop leaf on the mint.
Soursop leaf on the mint. Wow, you see that, guys? This is what is gonna make for tea right there. Early in the morning. See, outside setting, guys. Outside setting. Fresh mint and soursop leaf. Yeah. Cover the pot. Yeah. See how the fire blowing, guys? There's a fresh early morning breeze just blowing, coming from way over there in the mountains, coming down in the valley and sweeping across the side of the mountain on our side. Beautiful. Love it. Love it. Yeah. This is our little kitchen chair right here where we just chill out. This is one of the kitchen chair. This is the next one right there. Sometimes when rain is falling, we just go up underneath the cellar to shelter from the rain. Have myself a seat to open up the pot. Yeah, so this is it, guys. This is the soursop leaf, mint tea. Boy, if any of my viewers ever tried soursop leaf and mint tea, drop it in the comment. Yeah, much love, much respect if you do that. Yeah. Cover up the pot and cover back the pot. Yep. This guy right here, because I'm gonna use it again. Underneath here, it was a coconut that's not good, so you just put it underneath the fire to roast and to give this nice roast coconut aroma while I'm making the tea. Yeah, I can smell the coconut burning already. It smells so good. There it is. Yeah. Yeah. I'm joking about it, darling. Yeah. So guys, Frost is about to sweeten the soursop leaf mint tea right here. Yeah. That is nice. That is it. It's a Frost is a lovely thing to have first thing in the morning.
Up on the scarlet chest, you know.
Okay. Blessed morning, Frost. This is it, guys. Freshly made cup of soursop leaf and mint tea. Yeah. Lovely. You can taste that. The soursop leaf is more stronger than the mint. Not too sweet. The sugar is not overpowering the soursop leaf or the mint, so you can taste both the mint and the soursop and a little hint of sugar. Nice. Top of the morning. morning, blessed morning to all of my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, this is the first time tuning in to Manish Robinson TV. Blessings and prosperity to you. Wish you could be here up in the hills, chilling out with me and Ras Fras, and having a nice fresh brew of soursop leaf mint tea. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day. I can hear the birds chirping away. Feeling nice, cool morning breeze. Can smell the roast coconut down there coming up from the smoke. Yeah. So guys, thanks one more time for tuning in to Manish Robinson TV at this blessed early morning tea vibes. No. So till I see you again on the next video, you have yourself a blessed one. And try it, guys. Soursop leaf mint tea is beautiful. Alright, be blessed, be safe, peace and love and tranquility from Manish Robinson TV and from Ras Fras. Alright, blessing.